Guys, welcome back to Rituals. Alright, so today we gotta pick up something special, something classy. Last time I did a review on some Louis Vuitton Luxembourg sneakers, you guys seem to like that. So today, I told you guys, I'm kind of stepping out on my Jordan Yeezys a little bit, and I'm gonna go over to some higher end shoes. So today we have in this box, hold up, if you read the description you already know it is, but if you haven't, I guess it'll be a surprise for you. Before I unbox this bad boy, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for your boy if you're on YouTube, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. If you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead, give this video a like, and hit that notification bell as well, and follow the page so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos on Facebook. With that being said, let's get into the box. Oh, and this is a good one. Got a knife ready here. Let's pop this thing open. Let's get it popping. Safety first. Let's slide this thing here. Gotta be careful here, because we don't want to destroy the packaging. Sometimes these boxes be dirty too, so I don't want to get my shirt dirty. So let's get that open. Man, that's kind of, hold on guys. Put that right down the middle there. All right, y'all ready? Got that thing open. Let's lock these right here because we don't want to hurt ourselves. Let's get this box open. I know y'all want to see it. I know y'all want to see what's in the bag. What's in the box? What's in the box? So far, a bunch of tissue paper. Let's get that out of here. Let's get that out of here. Yeah. So nice and pretty. Let's get that box over there. Oh, got a pair of sneakers. That's the receipt. Don't need to show you guys that just quite yet. But what I will show you, this right here. Let's put that receipt over here. Might need that later. Got our first pair of Balmains. About the Balmain. Yeah, so we got our first pair, Balmains, Paris. I actually picked these up at Neiman Marcus. They was doing a sale. My wife came through in the clutch. She let me know, you like these? They was doing a sale on them. Scooped these up for almost 50% off. So I'll let you guys know the price in a few. But these right here are the Balmain B Court leather sneakers, low tops. So let's pop this box open, baby. Whew. Boy, excited to see what these look like in person. So it comes with your little, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's a card. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Let's see, it says Balmain on it. And if I ain't pronouncing it right, so what? I like to say Balmain. So like this little instruction thing here. See what comes in the box here. We'll put that to the side too. Ooh, nice shoe bag. Look at this shoe bag. Let me show you guys this shoe bag real quick. Look at that. Nice. Nice shoe bag. Nice and white too. Like that. Yeah, man. I'm a stickler for packaging. You know, anybody that follow the channel, whether it's on YouTube or Facebook, you know when I get stuff, I'm a stickler for how things should be packaged. Because, you know, if you're paying this kind of money for stuff, I think it should be packaged very well. With that being said, let's get into the box. Let's get into this. What do we have here? Ooh-wee. Look at these bad boys right here. Look at that. Whoo, we got the B logo on the leather, and I'm gonna tell you guys, Yo, this leather right here, this is premium A1 leather. Look at that. Whew, it's shining so bright the light just can't. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let me back up a little bit. Is that better? You got the Balmain on the heel. You guys can see that? The Balmain on the heel. You got the B, which is like embroidered or stamped, hot stamped, look like, on the back. And then on the tongue, you guys can see that. You got your Balmain Paris. Nice tongue, leather. This thing is leather throughout. Nice little lace loops right here. Man, this feels good. There's some high quality leather right here. This is on the bottom. You got your Balmain on the bottom. Whew. Yo, look at that gum bottom. That's what caught my attention. I love a classy white shoe with a gum bottom. I mean, you can't go wrong with that combination. Like, you can't. And this is so sleek, so nice. I definitely gotta hit you guys with some B-roll. You already know. Gotta hit you with the B-roll. Let's go inside the shoe real quick. Take the shoe tissue out. He did this thing nice, man. This is a nice shoe. This right here is a nice shoe. I'm very happy with this purchase. Don't know how it feels on the feet yet. We're gonna find out. But inside, bam. There we go right there, Balmain. Now, this is my first pair of Balmains, so I didn't really know how the sizing would work. So I went off my Louis Vuitton size. In Nike US, I wear a 10.5. In Louis Vuitton, I wear a size 9 Euro. Sizing is different. So I was really hoping their sizing is just like Louis Vuitton, because that's what I chose in here. I chose a size 9. And make sure they got that on. They put a 43, which is Euro sizing. So I hope these things fit, because I really don't want to send them back, because they are beautiful. These are some nice shoes. But anyway, you got your Balmain print in there, and Paris, the size and everything. And yeah, man, I'm gonna hit you guys with some B-roll real quick, and I'm gonna put these things on feet right after the B-roll, and I'm gonna give you guys an on-foot review. How that sound? All right. So in 3, 2, 1, let's get the B-roll.
Perfect.
Show you guys what they look like while I'm talking. But yeah, they look great on feet. I mean, these are amazing. They feel great too. Good looking shoe, man. Nice clean shoe. You see that B? Oh man, very nice looking shoe, man. Like, I really like these a lot, man. These are so dope. So dope. Like I said, man, I'm really feeling these. Really happy with my purchase with these. So yeah, they feel great on the feet. They look great on the feet. They feel great, man. So yeah, they feel great on the feet. So if you guys are looking for you a pair of some Balmain shoes, or just some white classy sneakers to wear with like casual wear, these are the ones. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below where I got them from. And if you go right now, they're still currently on sale. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but if you go right now, you can get yourself a pair. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in another episode of Rituals. Greatly appreciate you guys. The channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, which that's what we did today, money, financial tips, and gaming. So go ahead, if you're on YouTube watching this, smash that subscribe button. Also smash that thumbs up button. If you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button and like the page, as well as follow the page, so you'll be notified as soon as I upload videos. Content on both channels. Some people like YouTube, some people like Facebook. I'm gonna give it to both of y'all. Let's get YouTube numbers up, and let's get Facebook to 10,000 likes, 10,000 follows on the page. How about that? That's the challenge. Greatly appreciate you guys. If you like the content, share the content with a friend. Hopefully they'll share that content with another friend, another friend, another friend. Until the end, yo, peace and love, and we out. Rituals. All right, y'all, so it's review time. Give you guys my honest opinion on these shoes. I love them. Yo, they feel amazing. It's a bit tight right now, but I know it's due to the leather. I have to break in the leather, but also I can loosen up the shoestrings. But as far as the fit, they fit perfect. So it's the same sizing as Louis Vuitton. So like I said before, in Nike, I wore a 10.5. In Louis Vuitton, I wore a size 9 Euro. I think it translates to like a 43, 44, somewhere off in there. But when you do the translation, you'll see it. But yeah, same size in these. These were a 9, one with the Euro size. I think it's like a 43, 44. But yeah, got these at a great price. And I'm loving